Yes, today I am playing this game again. If you see the Huggy one, well, I gonna do the Yarna blue this time. Over here. I hope I do not get jump scared. Oh gosh. Let me just do like this, guys. Whee! I mean, it is persecuted. Where are you going to be? What? This is a new update. I do not like it at all. Oh wait, I forgot. Can I still work as pressing buttons? No, that is just number 1. You know. Oh, they just make it bigger. This game is literally fake. This game is just want to kill you. Okay. Pop. We don't know if we press button like once again. That thing. Wait, choose. What? Wait. Wait. I need a battery. Wait. Is it over there?
Ilan? Timplahin na ang gatas.
Wait, this is a big new update. Wait, so it's not there anymore? So here? Like that? Okay, then. Oh, there it is. Just wait, okay, jeez. Like that, and then great. I just wasted my time. Wait, guys, wait. Is he actually stuck? He's stuck. You gotta be kidding me. I hate you. He goes. Could change back. And could change back to this. I don't have a limited of time. Just like the miraculous. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, wait. Ayun. Come over here. What? Okay, I need to go and get that other thing again, guys. Oh my god.
LA, close mo yung door. Mainit.
OMG, that was close. Let's get over here. Do super fast. Okay, there it goes. Oh, that's all. Now we just need to dongle that gas. Up, see that? We need to get over here. It's just nothing. Yep. There's something. Oh, too busy to check it out. Plus, I already know, guys. What is that thing? Wait. The lights will come back on. There it goes. The reason I got a this hand. Well, come on. I want to see what's up there. No, again. guys, I'll pause it. I'll see you when I done with it. Okay guys, I unpaused the video. Sorry, but now it's fully done. Okay, let's do this. I think we just show some. Yep. There it goes. That's the full video, guys.